So the next thing, the first C is about competition. The second C is about comparison. So we compare with others, right? Most of the times we compare with others. We compare our marks, we compare our the money we have, we compare our lifestyles, we compare everything. Mostly in our lives we mostly compare with others, and will not be satisfied if our comparison is not up to the mark. If we are not up to the mark, we feel sad. If you see a very bungalow, if you are even though you are living a very good life, but if you compare with others, then you are going to face some sadness in your life. We are not, we are not been accepting the ourselves. We are not, we are not thanking for what we have in our lives. Instead we compare with others. So in this society we always compare, but will that comparison leads us to live in a better way? I'm saying you can have a role model for yourself. You can have a role model but not to compare. You can reach to that point but not to compare. You can have a motivation. The role model is for motivation, the comparison is for our sadness. If we compare, that is not going to take you to reach higher levels. The comparison is the main reason that we feel low about ourselves, or we feel not worthy, or feeling not deserved. So when we just remove this comparing with others, because remember, in your life everyone are unique. We feel if we are doing some work and we compare with others who had so much of experience in their life. For example, I am painting. I don't know anything about painting, but still I am trying. I practice for 10 days, I am trying. When I am going to compare with other who has mastered in his or her paintings, when I am going to compare with that painting, what happens to me? It makes me sad sometimes. Most of this comparison brings us sad. If you feel that our painting is good enough, that will be very wonderful. But are we really focusing on the positive things that we want in our life? No, absolutely no. We are focusing, we are comparing. If you feel that we are low, we make ourselves that we feel that we are not deserved, we feel that we are not worthy enough. Is it really necessary in our life to feel not worthy and not deserved? To be not loved? That's no. So remember, each of us are very unique beings. So each of us has a different talent, each of us has a uniqueness. Even the drops present in the ocean, each drop is different from one another. So every drop has its own properties. Likewise, every soul in this universe has its own uniqueness. Remember that you are very unique, and not to compare with others. This comparison is just going to make you low if you are really affecting with that. So sometimes you feel like if you are comparing with others who are low to you, then you might feel happy. But how many times will you do that? How many times will you compare with others who you feel they are low? How many times you are going to do that? Awarely, with awareness or with unawareness, obviously you are going to somehow compare, and some point of time you are going to be sad. So instead of comparing with others, compare with yourself. So the same example goes, if you are going to achieve this 100 marks, if you want 100 marks in your exams, so you have reached up to 70 marks. Compare with yourself. Previously you are in 60 marks, now you are in 70 marks. Compare with yourself, compete with yourself. So when in the competition also, the first rank goes for the highest marks which have been scored. For example, if the highest mark is 70 or 75, in the competition the first rank goes to him or her who has scored 75. But when you compete with yourself, now you have got 70 marks, next you want to get 80 marks. When you are going to compete with yourself, when you are going to compare with yourself, what are you going to do? Are you being stuck in that 75 marks, or are you moving forward? So we need to compete and compare with ourselves instead of others. We compare with others. If you want, you can take someone as your role model, but not compare, because you remember, everyone are unique in this universe. Each and every person differs. Not even our thumbprints are same, our eyes are same. So how do you think the others are more than you or others are less than you? Each have their own importance in their life. Each are very unique. So do you. We deserve, we are worthy, and we are loved. So compare with yourself. So compare, ask yourself today, did I do anything that was wonderful? Did I achieve anything today? Have I done any good thing? Have I learned anything today? So if yes, wow, next day I'm going to improve myself. If you have painted something, so you feel like this is not that much up to the mark, then feel thankful for that painting, and tomorrow we move on. We just act accordingly. We improve ourselves. When we feel that we are unique, that I can compare with myself, that I can improve, then the whole thing changes. It's all about the positive attitude you have for yourself, the positive way you look, the way you focus on. So if you blame yourself that you have not done anything today, then it's not going to help you. So we have to encourage ourselves. What do we need to do? We have to encourage ourselves, remembering that we are unique beings, and we are going to encourage ourselves to start a new day, to start new things, to explore the things, to expand our consciousness. And from there, when we compare, the whole thing changes. When we compare with ourselves, when we motivate ourselves, when we encourage ourselves, the life changes.